Hi, everyone. It's Georgia, and welcome to my beautiful fall scenery. Thanks also for joining me in this celebration video because I'd like to invite you to be involved in the launching of my new books. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can get involved. First and foremost, I'm not going to lie, I am looking to raise $10,000 to cover the costs of book printing, shipping, social media marketing, as well as some kind of essentials that I personally need, like business card. And those kinds of basics are going to really get me going. With the books in hand, I intend to start traveling and selling and speaking, and most importantly, reading sections from my new books. My goal is to kind of create an excitement wherever I might have the opportunity to travel. And that leads me to the next opportunity I'd like to present to you, and that is if you would like to host me either in your home, your church, or community organization. The focus of all my presentations, whether it's through poetry or reading sections of my book or even bringing samples of my art, the focus is healing and empowerment and allowing people to look at the trauma that they've had and know that they have the ability to heal and overcome it. Now, the last way that you might want to get involved is really in a long term way. And those of you who have interest in business ventures, my company Wealth is Within has an entire business plan as well as representative of both the costs for 3 years of operation and the income potential. Oh, that's a nice little reminder that things are working well. The income potential of my company isn't just about selling books, but I have a whole product line that is including technology that is set up to make access towards healing and learning more available, not only for survivors of violence or trauma, but for the professionals that work with them. Some of the cutting edge ideas I am weaving into the trauma community is around holistic healing, whole systems response, meaning how are we as a community looking at this problem of trauma, and whole family solutions. Because if we are truthful, at the end of the day, individuals who have trauma often come from or can come from families that have roots of trauma. So we really are about, as a company, looking at healing across many different aspects of society, community, and the family experience. Well, with that being said, thanks so much for taking a minute to review. And I'd love to have a conversation with you. How do I raise money? I don't use Kickstarter or anything like that because number one, it has some limits and they take my money from me. My intention is to sit down with you or have a Zoom meeting one on one and talk about how you'd like to help. Or if you feel so inspired, I do accept cash donations or electronic transfer donations through Zelle, Cash App, and PayPal. So thanks so much. I know that you celebrate with me the healing movement that is taking place across the world as it relates to women, their power, and their ability to own and create the lives that they want. Thank you for joining me in that exciting mission.